so this is 2025 Rivian R1S SUV. We consider this vehicle our Generation 2 vehicle. We just launched them a few months ago. And basically, the vehicle looks very similar to our last generation, but really under the skin, it's been completely redesigned. And one of the biggest improvements that we've worked on is actually being able to do more repairs, structural repairs on this vehicle. So we're able now to section the end of this frame rail and just replace the very end of it, allowing vehicles to keep the cost of repairs way more affordable, but also to reduce the length of the repairs. So this is something that's new. Also, the vehicle itself, in the past, we used to have more aluminum and different things mixed into the body structure. And now we've actually gone to mainly steel on the main structure, and even dropped weight, which is a lot of times people think aluminum is lighter, but the high strength steels that are out there on the market today actually allowed us to reduce weight even from our previous generation. The bolt-on parts like the hood, the fenders, doors are still aluminum, but overall, like the structure here, we've got different colors. You can see the purples, the teals. Those just show all the different types of high strength steels and metal that goes into this body structure. So definitely, being an EV, it's weight is very important. We're trying to save weight wherever we can, and that's definitely utilizing these new steels that are on the market today allows us to drop weight. The procedures that you see to be able to section that end of that frame rail, and we can actually replace the rear frame rail on this vehicle now. We've got almost 3 years of development work to go into this. And I don't think a lot of times collision centers and technicians and owners of collision centers understand like the amount of work that goes into like a procedure that was developed. Rivian is an EV startup. When I joined at Rivian, I joined after basically the vehicle was designed. And so no one was really thinking about, from a collision perspective, how do we change the end of this frame rail? How do we change the rear frame rail on the vehicle? And so we basically had to reverse engineer the repair procedures, and that just takes a lot more work because when a vehicle gets developed, if they're thinking about how we're going to fix it in the process, a lot of things can happen in conjunction. So we basically had to reverse engineer these procedures, do a lot of testing, a lot of man hours, a lot of engineering man hours to go into this to have this repair available today. So the presentation tomorrow is going to be all about what does that process look like to actually develop a repair procedure at a car company. Very excited to be able to be involved and educate folks out there what it takes to repair a vehicle properly.